Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to create stunning DIY home decor projects. From wall art to decorative cushions, we have fantastic ideas you can easily do yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating wall art. Begin by crafting your own wall art. Grab a canvas and paint it in colors that match your interior. Create abstract patterns or paint a favorite quote. Once the paint is dry, use a frame or hanging system to display your masterpiece. Step 2. Making cushions. Add a personal touch with your own decorative cushions. Choose a fabric you love, cut 2 pieces to size, sew them together, leaving an opening for stuffing. Fill your cushion, stitch up the opening, and you've got a beautiful pillow for your couch or bed. Step 3. Making scented candles. Craft your own scented candles to create a cozy atmosphere at home. Melt candle wax in a pan, add your favorite scent, pour the mixture into a mold, and place a wick in the center. Allow the candle to fully harden before use. Step 4. Decorating plant pots. Transform simple plant pots into stylish accessories by decorating them. Paint the pots in your favorite colors and add decorative elements like stickers, twine, or stones. Ensure the paint is dried before placing your plants. Step 5. Personalizing bookshelves. Another fun DIY is personalizing bookshelves. Paint them in a color that complements your decor and add personal accessories like small figurines or photos. This gives your shelves a unique, personal look. And that's how you create stunning DIY home decor projects. We hope you're inspired to start crafting. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas and share your projects in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.